In this video, I'd like to show you how to add a calculated field using an if statement in an Excel pivot table. And I've prepared this example over here where I showed cost of salaries, bonuses, and the percentage that we offered in bonuses. To do that, we go to pivot table, analyze, fields, items, and sets, and calculated field. Then we say this is going to be the name of the column. And for the formula, we're going to add an if and then select cost of bonuses if it is above 3,000. Then we want to show how much we are above 3,000. So in that case, we're going to say 3,000 minus cost of bonuses. In this case, if we paid 5,000 in bonus, this is going to show me as minus 2,000. So this is how much I am over. And then we are going to add a 0 for the case where cost of bonuses is not higher than 3,000, then we don't care. So just like that, I'm hitting OK. And now the data has come in over here. So you see the legal department, it's over for the budget bonus with 388. So next month we have to go less and so on and so forth. And then the values that are below 3,000, they don't show anything in here. They show 0. So this is how to use a calculated field that contains an if in a pivot table in Excel. If you learned something new, thumbs up the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.